Hey friends, let's have some real talk today. If you've ever sat there staring at your tools, your sketch pad, your carving bench, wondering, how do I actually supposed to make money doing this? I've got something that might just flip the switch for you. It starts with this: niche down. Not because it's trendy, not because a business guru told you to do so, but because when you solve a specific problem for a specific group of people, things finally start to click. Here's how it worked for me. I carve axe handles. That's my jam, that's my passion, this is my niche, and I absolutely love it. But maybe for you, it's baseball bat displays, whimsical birdhouses for gardeners, custom name signs for cabins, caricature carvings that make people laugh out loud. And by the way, Doug Linker is amazing at those style of carvings. And heck, I know someone who carves earrings and they sell. The world doesn't need you to carve everything, it needs you to carve your thing. The one thing that lights up when you talk about it. Your breakthrough is sitting on the other side of what you think you know about yourself. You need to rewind that and listen to it again. Let it sink in. You might picked up beliefs somewhere along the way that says, I'm not talented. No one would pay for this. I'm too late to the game. Those are all lies. And today, we are going to burn those down. Here's your action step for this week. Number 1, grab a pen and paper and sit somewhere quiet. Action step 2, just jot down the first carving ideas that come to your mind. Don't edit, don't judge, just write. Because you never know which silly idea turns into your best-selling product. And remember, no idea is stupid. Your skills will grow with time, and progress beats perfection every single time. Go carve your lane. And by the way, if you have an idea but haven't taken action yet, hit the comment button and hit the like button and tell me what is stopping you. Let's crush this together. I'll see you later.